Hello YouTube. In today's video I am going to show you how to make an IR sensor. It can detect any obstacle in its path. Let's build this circuit. The materials required for this build are LM358 operational amplifier, this tiny piece of rat poop, IR LEDs with a photodiode, few 10 kilo ohm resistors, few 180 ohm resistors, a piece of perf board, a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, and a blue indicator LED. This is the LM358 op amp. This is an IR LED. This is the photodiode. Let's solder them. This is a 10 kilo ohm resistor. These are two 180 ohm resistors, LM358 operational amplifier, an IR LED, and a photodiode. This is a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer to adjust the sensitivity of the circuit, and this is an LED to indicate that the object is near. You can find the link to the schematic in the description box below if you want to build this circuit. The IR sensor circuit is complete. Now let's supply the voltage to it. This is the positive lead and the negative. I am applying 5 volts direct current. The IR sensors detect the object nearby and the LED turns on. You can change the sensitivity of this circuit with the help of this potentiometer. It works properly, and you can also use it to build a robot and connect it with Arduino.